Good day, good day, good day, good day. So, what do we have? We have this phone. This phone is coming from a regular customer, very loyal customer. This I'm kind of aware. I don't know the model yet, but we'll see about the model later. So, this phone came in as no power. So, you have to see what's going on with this phone. We have to see. We have this USB power meter on top, which is writing 5 volts 00 amps. Plug in the charger. It's now taking 4.95 volts, 0.005 amps, like 5 milliamps. And pressing the power button here, nothing. The phone is dead. So what can be the problem with this phone? Huh? What do you think is the problem? But if I see 0.005, we can safely say 100% sure it's not the charging port. The charging port is good. We might have other issues, but not the charging port. What do you do in this case? You see what was the problem? Let me show you under microscope. What was the problem? Yeah, this kind of fault, I can't say a fault, but this kind of things, I found it on many Hauwei phones. Especially when you drop the phone, the connector is jumping out so easily. You see? This connector wasn't connected. Exactly what the customer said, he dropped the phone. So all what we need to do is to plug back this connector. Let's plug back the connector here. And what do you think we can do just to prevent this from happening in the future? Let's put some glue. Just a little bit of glue on top of the connector. Good. So I'm 100% sure that was the problem. The battery connector is jumping out of the socket so easily. So easily. And you have to be fair to such kind of jobs. Because already you have charged the customer like a non-working phone. Yeah, of course the phone was not working. But you have to charge a reasonable amount. Just to be fair. I know it's hard to charge like a fair because many people, like many technicians, that's where they take advantage. That's where they take advantage. I'm putting glue because I know that was the issue. I know that was the issue. Yeah, I'll put it with some rubber bands later. But plug in the charger. We must see change of current. You see Hauwei, and it's taking 380. Now 400, 500. The current is rising. Reboot. We don't want to flash the phone. Maybe this battery is highly discharged. Let's see if this phone can power on. Let's see. Yeah, the phone is on. There's user password there. You see the phone? Everything is working fine on this phone. So if you have some kind of job, when the customer came and told you my phone is not working, I dropped it off. If you see current is taking something like 5 milliamps, 10 milliamps, know that inside the battery connector just jump out of the socket. So all you need is to put it back and maybe put some glue like what I did. Even if you drop it again, it won't happen again. So the phone is working fine, as you see. So that was the issue. Like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. And see you on the next game. Bye.